morning, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. It is another beautiful day to be alive. It is Friday and it is the day of the event. I would say that I'm not stressed and feeling a little bit the nerves. I've obviously spoken in front of many of you before, maybe I think 700 people at a time, but now we're just speaking for 50, 60 people in real life, people from all around the world, Europe and far beyond that even, coming here to Amsterdam to watch us speak on several different topics. Rutger, over there, he's finishing his presentation. He's going to be talking about forex fundamentals. I'll be giving a technical masterclass. We have Steven talking about hedge fund trading. We have Alfie in from the UK giving a masterclass on fundamentals, what actually drives price from point A towards point B. And we're also going to have some interactive Q&A sessions. We're going to try and film as much as possible, I think, and bring you guys along in that. And I can't wait to show you more. It's going to be another beautiful day, and yeah, just enjoy the good content.
What's happening?
Yeah, this is the reality, man. Like we have a presentation now, at least for myself and Steven, and that's 48 slides. And Rutger has a presentation that's 30 slides, and Alfie has one that's 15 slides.
More. I have 12 more for the final part.
And 12 more for the final part. So it's all kind of like individual presentations. We have to still put them together. It's currently 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. And we have to be at the location at 9:30, so we have to leave in 50 minutes. So we have to put everything together. This is the first Amsterdam meetup that we did, 2024 December, just 1.5 years ago. But you guys will see the difference. Maybe we can add in a video of this event as well. We were like 20 people cramped up in a small little office.
First of all, thank you everybody for coming. It really means a lot that you took the time to come all the way here. For some of you from Germany, Hungary.
Last weekend I was actually drinking wine and recorded like
Who?
With the neighbor. I was drinking some very, very good wine. So
with Michael van Gerwen in the sexy fit.
yes.
How do we go to the event,
5
guys?
minutes.
We're gonna go by Lamborghini. So you're gonna see just one of them. Maybe we can do like this. I said no filming, bro. I said no filming. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's kind of crazy. Organizing an event and having people come to an event that you organize just by kind of like putting content out there and putting your face out there, that people come from all over the world to see and to listen to what you have to say. Like again, like you're thinking about event location number 1.5 years ago to this.
Such a contrast, you know?
Yeah. If this doesn't inspire you, remember guys, where I started from, the fucking bedroom, and now look where we are. We have 60 people showing up today, all around the world, coming to listen to what we have to say. These vlogs, man, I can't wait to show you guys more, but it's a little bit of a, I think you're getting a little bit of a feeling for what we're trying to do here and how we're trying to inspire you guys. Guys, if I don't make it as a trader, I can always make it as a rapper.
I don't think you can. I'm sorry, no.
No?
No.
Quick hair. Rutger obviously providing me with the supplies. He has some sea salt spray. He has some wax that looks more expensive than my bike. First of all, just a massive thank you for everybody. Welcome to the Amsterdam event. What you are achieving now was once a dream. Because once I was just a kid in my bedroom staring at the chart like I showed the previous slide, and now I'm doing these kind of numbers where we've done over $500,000 in verified payouts. We have over 25,000 community members in a Discord server. Yeah. This is the overall swing high, this is the overall swing low. Liquidity gets taken, and then what do we see? We see the push down, one push up, and then boom, push down. That then means that supply is created on this buy up or sell down.
I had my TP at 2% and then I got closed out for 4.5%. So I had to intentionally lose like 2% because of the consistency rule on Alpha Capital.
There's no reason why, as going back to my first point, you can't make money through technicals in these industries, because what a lot of people I work with do is they try to narrow down the industry. So is that going to be industrials? Is it going to be banks? Is it going to be the currency? And then after that, they may go to a chart and they may trade the technicals on that because they know this is their holding point.
How'd it go?
Went well, man. Went well.
It's always new when you speak in person, obviously, for a big group of people.
Now really transitioning from the online to the offline is a big transition, but it's a fun transition, and I think it's a very good and new experience. I think the amount of value that's being shared is unseen, and I hope that it's also going to be able to be translated into everybody who's watching. Who's watching this. But now it's time for a very good lunch because we're all starving.
Yes, it's amazing, man. A lot of value, It was amazing. Yeah, I'm so surprised because I didn't know anything about interest rates and stuff like that. But I'm very excited. I got food in my mouth, so I hope you can understand.
Of course.
But it's very tasty. So, beautiful work. Fabio's speech was really interesting.
It's actually a funny story because half a year ago I was in Pisa for visiting Tuscany, and he was there as well. So he's from Pisa, so we actually met up in a cafe and we talked about the charts, basically like we just did like over here.
Your face is not dirty. No, I wanted to get Oscar on camera because if you are active inside TTA, you know who Oscar is. Oscar is our youngest. He's the prodigy, we call him. At 18 years old, this guy was doing 8K in one single month. Oz, what have you thought of the event so far?
It was like what we now had was amazing. Your speech as well, and then from Alfie already, crazy value. And I think a lot of people would literally become profitable just off of this event.
We don't personally talk a lot about what
like
we
a
do,
live session.
where we're from on social media. We don't talk about it on Instagram. But yeah, now we have a real opportunity to connect with everyone and share the story and inspire a little bit. And I think that you did a very good job inspiring because already people came to me like, man, what did this guy study? They were asking, like, what did this guy study? I'm like, I don't even think he went to university. But you're out there spitting GPI, you're talking self-inflation swaps. I'm like, oh yeah. And me going to trading economics, looking interest rate differential, UCJPY. He comes. Yeah, so the first thing you should not do is look at the interest rate differential.
No, this guy's too humble.
I was like,
You know what? There's only one way we have to celebrate this. It's got to be a European trip.
European summer.
Definitely European summer.
Bands on, I'm just trying to get the bands in. Take man, you know it, get the hands in. Throw fists, so you know that they're landing. Stand out,
I'm really glad to be part of this huge team as a coach. So thanks Fabio, thanks DTA.
I saw your thumbnail and I was like, okay, this guy is has nice hair. I'm going to watch his video.
What can I say? I have a good bar.
Exactly. And so I clicked on your video. I was like, okay, let me just watch this video one time. And it was basically him not like promoting the money that he has, but he was purely talking about the charts, his trading, and that's what basically got me to watch more videos, because it really was just him actually giving education instead of showing what his trading could buy. And that's why you guys should also keep on following him, because he's like the real one basically.
We ain't ever look stranded. In a cute top down, tunes banging. The YG's outside just standing. Round the corner is a youth trying to bank it. With the bro been whizzing in the cute. Treasure hunt looking for the leap.
You're saying you have 400k in open challenges, right? Yeah. So that means that you're aggressively scaling.
Put it in the beat.
Today I will be explaining about the fundamental software. Me and Jesse started about 1.5-2 years ago.
So they're currently showing the overall AI update that we've been working on for the past few months, that literally based on several different fundamental frameworks that we use tells us what to buy and what to sell. So AI is like our fundamental agent. It actually told us to start selling GPNZD like I told you guys in the office, which today has continued to sell off. Also GBP Swiss, I asked if anybody was in that, around 20 people took the G Swiss short, has also been selling off. So the AI is performing very, very well.
When they intervene, they also look at like, are we intervening because like there's a lot of speculation going on, or is the dollar indeed fundamentally stronger than the yen? Which of course they should, but still you can't let your currency slide that much. So they still have to intervene at some point.
Yeah, what we know now is that the team here at TTA has something that can help you further in the future if you're looking to do something beyond the prop firm trading and something bigger, because we're building and we're not going to stop building. So yeah guys, with that said, let's head outside. It's bloody hot in here. My laptop died anyway, and thank you. Yes guys, it was a beautiful day. As you can see, everybody's still in the back talking about what happened during the event, but mainly they're networking with one another, and that was the main goal of this event, to get everybody from the community, or as many people as possible, to connect with each other and just enjoy a beautiful day here in Amsterdam.
I mean, it was amazing. Like, we've covered all areas of trading and also the plans what we're going through, and yeah, people even being here for the first time, so just amazing overall experience, amazing location, and yeah, really looking forward to the next one.
Guys, this was the vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming. Make sure to join the Discord. Link in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.